In this video, I will show how to reduce damage on site with evalink cloud-based alarm management platform and a Vanderbilt SPC alarm panel. In case of an incoming alarm, there is a pre-detection, which shows us the video stream a few seconds before the alarm was triggered. A person will be automatically detected, so I can jump just to the position where the person moves in. What I can do now is, I can talk back to the panel in order to scare the person away. So I can press this button and then just say, "Please go away." It will play the sound at the panel speaker. If the person cannot be identified, then the workflow is triggered and an intervention team can be mobilized. Of course, we have all this information available for later use. It is available also in the logs, and we also have the recordings and all the pictures and the audio as well.